You would not believe what I learned about Parshas Beshalach. There's a tremendous question in this parsha. Hashem tells Moshe that Paro will chase us and that Hashem will save us, and v'i kavda b'Pharaoh, he'll be glorified in Paro's defeat. Moshe shares this with the Bnei Israel and says words of encouragement like, stand by and see Hashem's salvation. Yeshuas Hashem. And then suddenly, out of nowhere, Hashem says, Ma titzak elai. Why, Moshe, are you shouting at me? And the obvious question is, what shouting? What sort of shouting is going on? And if he's shouting, he should have been calm, knowing that Hashem promised him it's going to turn out fine. Why, if he's shouting, is he shouting? I saw over 20 commentators who deal with this big, vexing problem. Here are three. The Abarbanel says, there is no way Moshe was complaining to Hashem after being told that it's going to work out fine. Rather, what it means is, Moshe, why are you crying out words of encouragement to the Bnei Israel? Now is the time to move out. Ramban says, no, it was indeed Moshe crying out to Hashem. But what he was saying was, Hashem, I know you said it's going to work out fine, but what on earth am I supposed to be doing now? To which Hashem responds, why are you shouting? You could have asked that question in a normal fashion. And finally, the Netziv says that Moshe understood that when it comes to natural battles, everybody must pray. And this is exactly what happened when they fought Amalek and Midian. In fact, in Midian, half the army prayed and half did the fighting. Moshe also knew that when it comes to totally miraculous battles, there is no need to pray, since Hashem has got that all covered. He knew that something miraculous was about to occur at the sea. And for that, he did not pray, knowing it's purely going to be miraculous. But what threw off Moshe was this skirmish before the sea, where Egypt was hurling arrows at them. Moshe said, okay, this looks like a natural battle. I must pray and cry out to Hashem. To which Hashem says, no, Ma titzak elai, why are you shouting in prayer? This too is part of the miraculous battle at the sea, so there is no need to pray. There are many other Mefarshim worth looking at who deal with this problem. But what I love about this Netziv during this time, post-October 7th, is that he's saying praying during the war is not just a nice thing, and it's not just an optional thing. It is an absolute must. We have to be davening. May Hashem answer the prayers of his people for a decisive end to our enemies and the swift return of the hostages and all the soldiers. B'shalom. Good Shabbos.